went on a couple of programs, and every time I finished a program, somebody said, dude, your name's Lou Diamond. You should have your own show. This would be great. And I kept thinking about it, and it took one bad podcast for me to realize that I now know what I want, the message I want to deliver. And to put it in perspective, Grant, as we're having an open conversation here, listeners need to know, Grant doesn't give you a script or anything like that. We're just having a conversation here. Well, this particular program that I went on, and I'll keep their name out of it to protect the innocent or the guilty, whichever way you want to go, they gave me this pre-scripted set of questions, which I had to fill out and type out. There was a preparatory call, not with the host, with someone on the production team to go over the specific answers. And what they wanted me to do was to read the answers that I wrote down. Now, I did not necessarily keep to the script in this rehearsal, and the assistant producer stopped me and said, you varied from the script. And I go, well, you really just want to hear what I wrote down? I mean, we could just get a voice app and read it that way. And then I said, you know what, do me a favor. Cancel my scheduled interview with the host. Because if this is the version of myself that has to be out there, I don't want that version. Yeah. I got off the call with this person, and I called up one particular person who wanted me to start a podcast, and I was going to be their baby first, beta client. Would you want to do this? I called up, I go, I know exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to do the exact opposite of what that guy's show was, and I'm going to start a show called Thrive Loud. And my business's name was Thrive, and Loud is Lou D, which is kind of a play on my name. And that kicked it off. The gift of podcasting, as you know, Grant, better than most, hosting a great program, is not only that you get to have great conversations, but you get to make relationships, connections, and sitting in the seat that you're sitting in right now has been the greatest gift ever. The learning experiences, the knowledge, the incredible people I've had the opportunity to add into my circle of life not only has helped me in my speaking career, because it connected me to a lot of professional speakers and people who book speakers and companies that wanted to hire me to speak, which was the main goal.